So here's how you can make a preview for YouTube video on the iPad. Let me explain the process. Let's get started. If you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything. Well, there are like two ways how you can go about it. First of all, you can upload your video to the YouTube channel as usual, but when it comes to the visibility, what you're not going to do is that you're not going to schedule or publish that actual video, but you are instead going to select the unlisted. It means that only people with the link will be able to view that video, right? So it's not part of the public. Nobody can really find it just yet. It's for our purposes only. So you can just use that link and perhaps open it in a different device, or you can just tap on that video through your YouTube app on the iPad and kind of preview what it would look like right on the platform. If you are happy with that, you can just then click on publish and everybody will be able to see it. So that's a nice way to preview videos before posting them. But there is also a way to preview what the video would look like on the actual platform. Because there are apps or websites on the internet which are basically designed with that purpose, and you can literally just look up to the Google things like YouTube thumbnail preview, and they are going to be places, or as I said, websites, services where you can upload your thumbnail and they're going to show you what it would look like on the YouTube app, for example, or on the desktop version of the YouTube, and you would see if the thumbnail kind of looks the way that you would want it. So that's another way to kind of preview the content before making it official and public. So I hope it makes sense. Let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more tips and videos like this one, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.